In this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $17,125 in commission with affiliate marketing using free traffic from YouTube. I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube, how you can create content that you will use to promote your affiliate links using Unique Converter, how you can use Unique Converter to create content and to create an optimized YouTube SEO description and title to rank your content so you can start making commissions and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, and it's already paid. I already received this payment in my PayPal account, and this is my invoice as you can see over here, and it's paid $17,125 in affiliate marketing using free traffic. And you can do it. Okay, you just need to follow those steps that I will share with you, and let's get started. So this is my commissions, my clicks, my CTR. This is my affiliate account dashboard. So for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, you guys need to go to Google and search for Fiverr, search for this website. Okay, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website to get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying really good and good commissions. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. And for every, so for example, if one person buy a service from you, from your affiliate link, you will earn commission, and if this person will keep buying more services, you will keep making commissions from each transaction this person will make on Fiverr, which makes this business really profitable. Okay, anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. As you can see guys, the sign up process is super easy and simple. You just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to choose good services that you will start promoting on YouTube to earn commission. So how you can choose good services? So here is what you will do next. You will open your YouTube homepage. Go and open your YouTube homepage. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. The potential of YouTube is very powerful. You guys don't know the potential of YouTube. Using YouTube to promote your affiliate links, you can make so much money if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps that I will share with you. Okay, millions of people every single day go to YouTube, they search for specific topics, specific services, products, product review and so much more. Okay, so what you will do next, just click on the search and ask question. So for example, I will ask how to, let's say, how to make YouTube thumbnail, and here you go. You guys can see YouTube will give you a report search prediction. YouTube will give you what people are searching for on YouTube. People are searching for how to make YouTube thumbnail in Canva, how to make YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop, in CapCut, PixArt, PixLab, and so much more. Okay, so those people who are searching for those topics, they have small YouTube channels. They have YouTube channels probably it's gonna be small YouTube channels, and they want to grow their YouTube channels, and they want to create a good YouTube thumbnails for their YouTube videos. So here is what you will do. So for you, this is good service that you will promote for those people. Go back to Fiverr, click on the search for YouTube thumbnail. Okay, search for this service. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Okay, always choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose, let me see, I'm gonna choose this one. You guys can see this one, level 2 seller, over 1000 reviews, which is really good. What I will do, I will choose this service. So like I said, always choose top rated seller, level 1 seller, level 2 sellers. Okay, why you need to choose good sellers? So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from you and you will earn commission. And this is the proof. You guys can see 22 orders in queue, over 1000, over 10,000 people paid for this service. So which people will buy this service? Okay, only people who has YouTube channels, only those people who are searching for how to make YouTube thumbnails will be interested to buy this service. Okay, this one, YouTube thumbnail, only people who are using YouTube, and it's working. This is the proof, and people keep coming back. This service is good because people will make more videos and they need new thumbnails, so they will keep buying more and more, and for you, you will keep making commissions. Okay, so here is what you will do next. You will copy the link of this seller, copy the profile link of this seller, and so just copy the link of this seller, okay? Copy the profile link of this seller, like I said, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account and click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page over here. So what you will do next, you will click on dip link, put this seller profile link here and click on save. Okay, and here you go. You will have an affiliate account. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate account. So what you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. But before we do that, we need to create a video that we will use to promote this affiliate link on YouTube, and we will use Uni Converter. Okay, we will use this Uni Converter application, okay, to create and to edit the video and to create the thumbnail for our YouTube video and so much more. Okay, so before we start making this video, we will go back to Fiverr. Okay, let's go back to this Fiverr seller page, to this one. Okay, you guys need to go back to this seller profile page and scroll down. This seller has a video. Let's check. You can see the video is explaining how this seller can turn those pictures into an amazing and good YouTube thumbnails. You guys can see she's really good. Okay, so here is what you will do. Double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. I'm gonna name it thumbnail. Okay, click on save, and after that you need to go to this website, to video converter wondershare.com. Okay, go to this website and you can try this for free. Okay, you can, if you have let me show you. If you are using a Windows laptop, you guys can click on Uni Converter for Windows. If you are using Mac, you can choose this one, Uni Converter for Mac. Okay, After you download this application to your laptop, it's gonna be like this. Okay, this will be your home page, and that's it. So what you will do next, you will go first over here to converter and click on add file. Okay, click on add file and upload this video that you download from Fiverr about YouTube thumbnail. Click on over here on open or load. Okay, and here you go. Click over here to improve the quality. Just click here and choose this quality. I'm gonna choose this one, 1018, this one, and they will click on. You guys can also add subtitle. If you want to add subtitle, you can click here and you can add your subtitle if you want, if the video has subtitle. But for this one, we're gonna just use it like this. Just click here on converter, and here you go. And here you go. You guys can see the video is done. So let's check. It's looking good. So what you will do next, let me show you. You guys can click here on improve clarity. Okay, click on this one. Okay, you can see, let me show you. You can see video enhancement, this one, choose this one, and click over here on export. Okay, click on export like this, and you just need to wait just a few seconds, and this video will be done. So you can enhance the quality and improve your video using Unique Converter. So Unique Converter can really help you to, let me show, like I said, can really help you to edit those videos, to make those videos more engaging and unique, so you can use those videos and promote your affiliate links on YouTube to earn commissions. Okay, and there is so much more tools that I will show you guys that you can use in Unique Converter for your YouTube videos. Okay, so let's just wait for this one to be completed and I will share with you guys more. You can see guys the difference. You can see this is the first video. You can see our first video, and you can see the second video that was edited by Unique Converter AI video enhancer. Okay, there is a big difference. You can see the quality, it's amazing. Okay, you can see that's really good. You guys can see good quality. Okay, and here you go. You guys can see the video is done. So let's check now. Let me open the video. Guys, you guys can see the quality. The quality now is really very good. That's really an amazing video. You can see the quality of the video. It's really an amazing, you see. So that's why you should start using Unique Converter. It will help you. You can see the difference. Look at this, the video that we download from Fiverr with this quality, and look at the video after we used AI video enhancer by Unique Converter. As you can see, the quality is, there is a big difference. Okay, you can see it's good. It's amazing. Okay, so here is what you will do next. I will just click on okay, and what you will do next, you guys need to go over here, go to home. Okay, go to home and click here on image. Okay, and scroll down. You should see here thumbnail maker over here. Okay, so just click on try now and just put your prompt here. Ask him to create YouTube thumbnail for a video about how to make branding, or how to make a professional YouTube thumbnail for to make a professional, just leave it like this. Put this prompt, click on generate, and this AI thumbnail maker will create an amazing YouTube thumbnail for you that you guys can use for your YouTube video. Okay, so after you finish, so what you will do next is just go over here to more tools, okay, and click over here on video and scroll down, just scroll down and go over here to script generator. Okay, click on this one, try now. Okay, and here you go. So ask him to create a YouTube description for your video. So I will ask him create YouTube description for a video, okay, about how to make YouTube thumbnail. Okay, like this, and just click, make sure to choose YouTube, okay, because you can use for YouTube, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and so much more. So I'm gonna choose YouTube and just leave it. You have here this professional, formal, friendly. I'm gonna choose professional and click on generate. Okay, and your script will be done. Okay, your video description about the video that you want to use to promote your affiliate links on YouTube. It's gonna be done. You just need to wait just few seconds, and here you go. You guys can see your script is done. Okay, a thumbnail is more than just an image. It's a powerful tool that can, that's a really, this is a good and optimized YouTube description that you guys can use. You can see. So what you will do is just copy and make sure to remove this. Copy from hello YouTuber, and today we are going to, you can copy this description from here. Okay, like this, copy, or you can click here. Okay, you can click here, or you can save this as a text file. So copy this description and go back to your YouTube channel. So what you will do next, go back to your YouTube channel. Okay, let me show you. Go back to your YouTube channel, upload this video to your YouTube channel, create a YouTube channel. It's gonna take just 1 or 2 minutes from your time to create a YouTube channel. Upload the video that you edited on Unique Converter. Okay, use Unique Converter to create description for your video. Use Unique Converter to create also thumbnail to enhance the quality of the video, and so much more. Start uploading those videos on YouTube and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Let me show you. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started this business, you can't see if you have new account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here, go back to YouTube and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Use this title for your video. Okay, how to make YouTube thumbnails step by step. For example, in your YouTube description, put the description that we created using Unique Converter. Okay, put this description and put your affiliate link. Okay, put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and start promoting those. Start promoting, like I said, those affiliate links on YouTube. YouTube is very for me, it's the profitable traffic source platform for me. I'm making a lot of commissions from YouTube. YouTube is a really very powerful platform for affiliate marketing that you guys can use to earn commissions. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and like I said, if you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. And for people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you guys are interested, you can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. See you in my next videos.